Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Pro Scrub Manifold. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Pro Scrub Manifold. The Pro Scrub Manifold gives extra cleaning to the items in the back of the lower dish rack. The main reason you should be changing it out is if it's clogged or damaged and you're not getting any water flow. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the lower rack out. Once you have it out, you can lift it off and set it aside. Now we can reach in and take out the Pro Scrub Manifold. It's just pressed onto the water supply tube. All you have to do is flex it and get it free. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old Pro Scrub Manifold next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Pro Scrub Manifold on, all you have to do is set it down onto the water supply tube so the base goes over those fittings. And you can push it back up and snap it on. Once you have it in place, we can put the lower rack back in. All you have to do is set the rack onto the door. Once you have it in place, you can push it back into the dishwasher, close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.